Starting Monday, all eviction hearings in the 36th District Court will return to in-person hearings after they were held virtually the last 3 years.
It's a decision that tenant advocates say will hurt people who are already struggling. Andres Gutierrez is downtown where he spoke with the chief judge about that decision.
I fell behind on my rent. I stopped working due to me being pregnant.
So when Jabrina Bowers' landlord took her to court for back rent earlier this year, she was glad she could attend by hopping on a Zoom call.
When I started going to court, it was more time for me to sit down and rest my body and not move so much.
At times, there were some technical hurdles.
Sometimes the courtroom wasn't the right room, but it was okay. I figured it out on my own because I'm kind of internet savvy. So
It's those kinds of issues the chief judge for the 36th District Court believes has made the system that handles landlord-tenant disputes inefficient.
Because we don't have a e-filing system at our court. It's a very convoluted, very highly hands-on situation, and it's causing delays.
So beginning on Monday, all eviction hearings will be in person for at least the next 90 days.
A citizen who has a case at 9 o'clock will no longer have to possibly wait to 2, 3 o'clock to have their case heard, because the cases will move faster, because a judge will be able to call the case once they know that these cases are ready because they're in person.
If tenants fail to appear in court, it could result in a default judgment, which would lead to an eviction order.
And we saw before the pandemic what the rate of default was. It was climbing nearly 40% during the pandemic with implementing virtual proceedings and the right to counsel initiative. That's come down like 15%, which is amazing and which is good. And we should continue moving in that direction.
Tenant advocates believe the court should address their filing system first before making any permanent decisions.
And I think you'd be hard-pressed to find individuals who want to take a whole day off of work or compromise their child care to come down to court when there's a perfectly viable virtual option that used to be available to them. Why take it away now?
So again, the chief judge says that this is being done on a trial basis and they will reevaluate the decision in about 3 months. Reporting in downtown Detroit, Andres Gutierrez, CBS News, Detroit.